Hey guys, it's me. I just wanted to update you on my wolf. It is storming outside again. My last video. To the room. Oh, it's so blurry. I'm a real Pokemon fan. I have another box full Pokemon cards and another box. Put it somewhere in this messy room. Yeah, so dang, it is raining. Why is my phone so... One sec. And so I got my wolf. So blurry, I'm so sorry. If I go close, it's not blurry at all. See texture. And so... Stop, you stupid camera. I finally made it unblurry. So... I got this. Oh, this is what I got. Boom. If you watch my previous video, I'll try to leave a link down below to that. Wait, never mind, I won't. So if you watch my previous couple videos, you see the wolf look kind of like this. Here's the original wolf compared to the now wolf that we just painted. Really, like, the eyes are so bright, right?
Yeah, we got more to go.
Yeah.
Almost done, though.
And then we have glow-in-the-dark paint. Say hi to YouTube. My dog is freaking out because of the rain. Think. Scared? Want me to put him in? Yeah, but now he's begging to go in. Look at his puppy eyes. Okay. Link, come on. No, closing the door on you. Mwah. No. Okay. Stay out. Oh yeah, you love hugs. I hate hugs, but you like it. Feel bad for him. He doesn't want to come in. Oh, Link is so well trained. He'll just walk right into his cage. Then we go, wah! This video is sponsored by Juicy Juice, the best juice in the world. Actually, it's not. It's just the best juice in the world. Oh, guys. And here's... I never took a video over, but here's my fish. Say to YouTube. It's like, oh yeah, hi, I like attention. You do? It's flamed. Flame into big long plants. Oh yeah, it was my mom's anniversary a couple days ago. Actually, a couple weeks ago. And my dad got her these pretty flowers, but they're all dead except for the big rose. Dad, I like the big rose. It's still alive, but it's chipping in some places. Beautiful. Yeah, all except for the rose. The rose is big and big. Beautiful. Spotlight! Yeah, so we recently just moved to Florida. All my previous videos were all back in Indiana, and my house is flooding. It got all over Link's pee pads. That stupid water. Look. It's all over the place. That is not Link's pee. It's flooding again in the backyard. And the previous video when it was storming, right as I posted it, it stopped. These storms are harsh out here, but they only last a couple minutes. But this is supposed to be an island storm. And the set, if you're watching, go ahead and call my mom because... Oh God, it's like zoomed into me. Go ahead and call my mom. I miss you so much back here in Florida. She's all the way back in Indiana, guys, if you're not her, of course. But, miss you guys. You too, Maya. This is my dog. Taking some water. He's a big wolf. I'm a big fan of wolves, as you saw. This is my cousin Heidi and my mom's friend. Oh, that's my grandma. Oh, wait, I think that's my grandma I never got to see. She's died before. She died before I was even born. Not a big deal, not a big deal. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Pokemon. Yeah. Well, please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel. And, oh, sorry about what I'm wearing. It looks stupid. I was just painting earlier. But, please leave a comment down below. Make sure to like the video. And if you're watching, thanks for watching. I don't really have much videos. No one really watches them. So, thank you. Leave a comment down below, guys. My mom also has cancer. I'm sad for that, too. So many sad things in my life. Well, oh, wait. There's this Pokemon I want to show you before I end this video. It's Pokemon Pikachu Fallout card. Yeah, it's so pretty. And then I got Meowstic and this Meowstic and Jolteon, my Delphox Break. Where did I put my Arceus? Arceus! Come on, Arceus! I'm speaking like it's a dog. Why is this one so high? So many Playsic and Ghost. Oh, they're all mixed together. Why did I put these together? Arceus is at like the way bottom, right? No, apparently not. Here's Arceus. It says here, it's told this it's told this legendary Pokemon was born before the universe even existed. He created all the planets. He's the balance. Comic. Let me read you one. Oh, hi. Hey, Dweeble. Where were you yesterday? Yesterday, at home, I guess. Yes, what about the day before? Dweeble is always at home. Still at home, I guess. Bye, guys. Remember to leave a comment down below and a like. Sorry. Watch my previous videos. See which paint I'm gonna get. I will always check on it. Bye.